Okay, so here are some slightly harder equations of fractions because we've got a fraction on both sides of the equation. So I've got x plus 3 all divided by 4 equals 2x minus 1 all divided by 3. So we've got to think of a number we could multiply both fractions by to get rid of our denominators. So I've got some quarters and some thirds. So the lowest common multiple of those two numbers is 12. And if I multiply both by 12, I'll eventually be able to eliminate the 4 and the 3. So we end up with 12 times x plus 3 over 4 equals 12 lots of 2x minus 1 over 3. And then 12 divided by 4 is 3, so I'm left with 3 lots of x plus 3. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4, so I'm left with 4 lots of 2x. Take away 1. We've eliminated our fractions. And so I'll expand the bracket. So 3x plus 9 equals 8x, take away 4. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So 9 equals 5x minus 4. Then I'll add 4x to both sides. So 13 equals 5x. I don't want 5x, I want x all by itself. So x equals 13 fifths, which we can leave as a fraction. Okay? Or it'd be 2.6 as a decimal. Okay. Now this next one. This looks very different from the previous example, but this here is the same as saying x plus 2 all divided by 3. It's just a different way to write it. And this would be the same as 3x plus 2 all divided by 5. So we've got a 3 and a 5. The lowest common multiple of those is 15. So we're going to multiply everything by 15. So you end up with 15 thirds x plus 2 equals 15 fifths 3x plus 2. And then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So I have 5 lots of x plus 2. Then 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I have 3 lots of 3x plus 2. So now I've got a nice linear equation that we looked at yesterday. So I'll expand my bracket. 5x plus 10 equals 9x plus 6. Then subtract 5x from both sides. So 4x plus 6 equals 10. So 4x equals 4. It's a nice, easy answer. So x equals 1. Go and check. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we get 1 equals 1. Now this last one is pretty much the same, except you've got a slightly more complicated numerator. We've got 8 and 2. The lowest common multiple of 8 and 2 is 8. So I'm going to multiply everything by 8. So on this top, I'm going to get 8 times 7. I'm going to get 56 lots of 2p minus 1 divided by 2 equals, then multiplying both by 8. I'm going to get 24 lots of 1 minus p divided by 8. Then 56 divided by 2 is 27. No, it's not, it's 28. I'm left with 28 lots of 2p minus 1 equals 24 divided by 8 is 3, equals 3 lots of 1 minus p. So expand the bracket, back to 56. So I get 56p, take away 28 equals 3 minus 3p. Going to do the next two steps in one, following that space. So I'm going to add 3p to both sides, which gives me 59p. I'll add 28. So 59p equals 31. So p equals 31 divided by 59. That's not going to be a pleasant decimal, so I'm going to leave that as a fraction.